Hi, today we can solve some textbook exercises from the chapter Wild Fruit. First one, read and answer. Read the story and complete the sentences given below. First one, on his long walk to school, Vijay passed a narrow little bazaar. Answer is a narrow little bazaar. The fruit was forbidden fruit for him because he had no money. The child has no money to buy any fruit. So the answer is he had no money. Third one, Vijay belonged to a village near Missouri. Vijay belonged to a village near Missouri. Next one, in November, there was no wild fruit, only acorns on the oak trees that were bitter, fit only for monkeys. So these are the answers for question number D. The next question is, the boy Vijay met at the confectioner's shop left a bag of seeds on the bench. Answer is a bag of seeds on the bench. Next question, to his disappointment, the bag was full of smooth round stone. The answer is smooth round stone. Next exercise, think and answer. Fill in the table based on your understanding of the story. So you have to read the story thoroughly. So inference, Vijay's long walk to the school often made him hungry. The boy's gaze often lingered on those heap of golden oranges grown in the plains, now challenging the pale winter sunshine in the hills. His nose twitched at the sharp smell of the melons in summer. His fingers would sometimes touch for a moment the soft down on the skin of a peach. These lines are helpful for knowing us that the boy Vijay is often made hungry with the long walk to his school. Vijay was not interested in what his teacher was teaching in school. The answer we can see from the textbook is, there were times, especially when he was at school, his teacher droned on and on, lecturing on honesty, courage, duty, and self-sacrifice when he felt very hungry. While he was angry, he is not interested in the class of his teacher. Vijay enjoyed eating wild fruit. Here we can see from the textbook, his mother made them into jam, but Vijay liked them as they were. So here them means wild fruits. The boy he met at the shop appeared to be rich, unlike Vijay. He was a well-dressed boy, coins jingled in his pocket. These two sentences are showing that the boy he met at the shop is appeared to be rich. The boy tricked Vijay. In his mind's eye, Vijay saw the smiling face of the boy in the bazaar. A boy who smiled sweetly but exchanged stones for sweets. These are the lines we can get to know that the boy tricked Vijay. Next exercise, match the words to make compound adjective. So, what do you mean by compound adjectives? A compound adjective is an adjective that contains two or more words joined by a hyphen. If we are not writing a hyphen between these two words, the whole meaning of the sentence will be changed. So you should careful while you are writing compound adjectives. Don't forget to put hyphen between two adjectives. Complete the sentences with at, in, or on. These are prepositions of time. First one, the match finished dash 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning means day and time. So we have to write on as a preposition. So the match finished on 2 in the morning. Second one, I will see you dash 5 in the evening tomorrow. 5 in the evening means it is time. So we have to write at as preposition. I will see you at 5 in the evening tomorrow. Next one, the office will be closed dash Dashra. Dashra is a celebration or a special day. So the office will be closed in Dashra. Mrs. Murthy is leaving on Saturday. Saturday is a name of a day, so we have to write on before Saturday. So Mrs. Murthy is leaving on Saturday. Next one, they usually don't go out dash weekends. If weekends or any such expression, we have to use at weekends. They usually don't go out at weekends. Next one, dash winter migratory birds are seen near Bharatpur. So here they are talking about season. In front of season we have to use in. In winter, migratory birds are seen near Bharatpur. Are you free dash Monday morning? Here Monday means day and morning is also a time. So day plus morning. So we have to write on before Monday morning. Then next one, my dad's birthday is dash 20th November. Here they are saying some dates. So before dates we have to use on. So my dad's birthday is on 20th November. Then J, dash winter afternoons we sit in the sun and have oranges. So winter is a season, so before season we have to use in as preposition. So this is all about today's video. Hope it will help you. So please do like, subscribe, share my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.